It is Memorial Day. I'm at Newcastle Reservoir, hoping to catch some multi-species fish here. Wipers, smallies, largemouth, who knows what else. And there's quite a few boats on the lake already. It is Memorial Day weekend, doesn't surprise me. As you're out having fun celebrating this weekend, just remember the cost that was paid. The soldiers that gave their life to provide us enjoyment like this. So thank you, fallen soldiers, we remember. Fish on. Swimming towards me. Here, Largy. Alright. First fish of the day. Wasn't no doubt about it. I think I've caught this fish before. He's got a scar right there. Feels like a little largemouth. Oh, a little smaller. Come here, little smallie. Yeah, little smallmouth, little fatty. All right. So, I abandoned Newcastle. Way too many boats, way too much fishing pressure, and the wind was pushing me all around. Came over to Enterprise, and Upper Enterprise is swamped, but Lower Enterprise is quite open. And even though I think Upper Enterprise is a better fishery, I don't like angler competition. So we're gonna fish Lower Enterprise, see if I can catch some smallmouth and maybe even a trout. Just looking for some bites today on this Memorial Day. Caught a couple at Newcastle, but it wasn't, I was surprised. It wasn't very good. All right, back to the old swim bait. There we are. There we go. There we go. Little guy on the catch today. Oh, sunny days. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Check it out, we got a little spring. That's pretty cool. better fish. Is it a trout? Looks like a rainbow. We got a rainbow. Whoop. There he goes. Check it out, it's Helms Deep. Creepy. I don't think there's anything in here. Stay strong, little root. Oh, there we go. Well, it was worth a look. Okay, now I bounced up to Upper Enterprise and I picked a point that was relatively left alone. See if I can catch smallies of at least average size here. Look at this sunfish. Fatty. Look at this mammoth guy. It's been a long time since I've caught a sunfish that big. Oh my goodness. It's like 7 or 8 inches. Let's get the release on. That was fun. What is this? Smallmouth? Wow, you really took all of that one. Orange eye. Right there in front. Shallow. Oh, he's a fighter. He's a fighter. This is the best one so far. This is the best one so far. There we go. Now we're starting to get a little bit bigger. Let's lay him down here in the surf. Oh! chunky. Yeah, here's what it is. Time to go home.